Alright guys, so I just want to do a little update video on the Supra. It's still here. I haven't parted it out or anything. I just been busy with work life and taking care of my daughter. But nonetheless, we got sideskirts on. It's eBay and it's not a perfect fit. Just give you guys a heads up if you plan to buy one. Yeah, I got to do a couple work to fit it up. As you can tell, I have it mainly gonna be bolted from underneath. So what you guys want to do is just drill a couple holes back there and get it installed. So that's how I have this on this side is on. Go over here on this side as well, same issue. I gotta kind of go through everything and get it done the right way. But what I'm waiting for is for some springs. So we're gonna add some springs on here on our shocks, some lowering springs, and I'll do a video on that when I install it. So that'll be next, and then once we get that on, we can get some brakes and look on some wheels next. But overall, it's a slow project. It's just chilling, you know. It's going nowhere. So I just want to give you guys this little update real quick. But yeah, the side skirt definitely looks good, really good.